Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download SmartThings app to integrate Philips Hue bridge, full guide step by step clearly. Open your smartphone's app store. For Android users, tap on the Google Play Store icon. For iOS users, tap on the App Store icon. In the search bar, type SmartThings. Review the search results that appear. Look for the SmartThings app developed by Samsung. Tap on the app to open its details page. Check the app's compatibility with your device. If everything looks good, locate the Install or Get button. Tap on that button to begin downloading the app. Wait for the app to finish downloading and installing. Once installed, open the SmartThings app by tapping Open. You may need to sign in with your Samsung account. If you don't have an account, follow the prompts to create one. After signing in, you will be greeted with the main interface. Tap on the plus sign or Add Device button. In the device list, scroll or search for Philips Hue. Select the Philips Hue bridge from the options. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect the Hue bridge. You may need to press the button on your Philips Hue bridge. Wait for the app to discover the bridge. Once discovered, the app will confirm the connection. Now you can start adding your Philips Hue lights. Select the lights you wish to include in your SmartThings setup. Follow any additional steps to configure your lighting preferences. Your Philips Hue bridge is now fully integrated with the SmartThings app. Explore the app's features to customize your smart home experience. You're all set to enjoy a seamless smart home integration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.